Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be my bullet journal setup for 2019. I know it's a little bit late, it's almost 1 month late for bullet journal setup for 2019, but I still want to do it because I put in so much efforts for my bullet journal. So let's begin with the video. So this bullet journal is from Germany that my sister gifted it to me, so thank you so much. So this year I decided to explore bullet journaling a bit more and like go deeper in the art. So the bullet journal says "C'est la vie," which is French for "that is life" or "such is life." So the first page is like my title page where I wrote 2019 with my fine liner pen, and then I wrote like some words that I want to imbibe in my life in 2019. This is also a good way to exercise the law of attraction. So whatever words or whatever things you want in your life, like balance, focus, manifest, whatever these things are, you just write it so that every time you open your journal you see it right there. And I think it's a cool way to be motivated, and it's also super easy. So yeah, I have this, and then the next page is my entire year at a glance, where I have the calendar for 2019 basically. So on the right side, I have an empty space where I'm going to write the important events happening that month, like the holidays or my exams, seminars, or some assignment is due, even birthdays, for example. And it is a bit tedious to make, and I know, it can take some time, but it was really fun for me. And if you guys obviously don't want to do this, you can paste a calendar, which totally makes sense, but I like doing things the extra way. So yeah, I did it, and I think it's very cool to have, and it's very helpful obviously. And then the next page is year in a pixel, where I will be filling in a box for each day of the year. So this is inspired by my mood tracker spread that I did last year, and I really enjoyed it. So I have like all these emotions on the right hand side. So I'm gonna fill in the emotion that I feel that day with the particular pen, or like colored pen. And I think it's a cool way to see how your year went, and how happy you were, how productive you were, or how sad and anxious you were. And it really helps to give you a good perspective about yourself. So yeah, that's my year in a pixel. And then the next page that I did was my goals page. Now I'm not a resolution girl. I believe in setting up goals and achieving it with an idea and a plan. So I have these different categories of goals that I want to work on in 2019, like some of my personal goals, my academics goals, which is related to my PhD, and my YouTube goal, because I'm going to take YouTube seriously this time, and my finances goal, because I really want to save money this time. I really want to be like financially stable and more strong. So yeah, this is like my goals page. And the next page is my bucket list page, which is like 20 things that I want to do before 2020. I did like a bucket list fall and winter last year, which I really enjoyed. These are like very small little things that I want to achieve in 2019. So yeah, it's like my bucket list that I want to do. And then the next page is my YouTube video idea page, which is like pretty self-explanatory. So yeah, I'm gonna write all of my video ideas, my plans, whatever I want to do on this page. So yeah, that's like one page. And then the next page is stuff to check out. And I used to write all these recommendations from my friends here and there, and then I never used to find it when I really wanted to watch a movie or watch a documentary. So I decided to make this spread in my journal where I can refer back later what I want to see. So I have these categories, which is like TV shows that I want to see, and movies or documentaries that I want to see. I really don't like watching a lot of movies. I enjoy documentaries more. And then some books that I want to read in 2019, and also podcasts, because I like to listen to podcasts a lot. So I'm going to write some cool podcasts to listen while I get ready, or going to school and all of those things. So this spread is the one that I'm most excited about. This is my 2019 in Polaroid spread. So where I will have like one picture for every month. This is like my memories of 2019 that I'm gonna make. So also, this will really encourage me to use my Polaroid camera more often, which I honestly have which I honestly always forget to use. So for January, my favorite memory is this picture that I have with my sister in Amsterdam. So yeah, I'm gonna paste it after completing this video. And the last page that I have is a very random page. It's my routine page. So I want to have some routine, the things that I want to do every day or things that I want to do weekly, and also my evening routine, because I think I'll waste a lot of time in the evening by doing random things and not being productive. So I really want to have like a proper evening routine. And the last one is like a blank notes page. I don't know what I'm gonna write there. So yes, this is my 2019 bullet journal setup. I'm so sorry this video is late, but you know what, this is me. I always start like 1 month late in a new year. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and if you still haven't had like a proper time, or you were procrastinating like me to set up your bullet journal or to set up your goals for 2019, it's still not late. It's just 1 month. You still have 11 months to go, and I am sure you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it too. So yeah, this is my bullet journal setup. I hope you guys like it, and also if you guys want a video about where I'm filling up this bullet journal, because I still haven't filled it up, let me know. I can fill it tomorrow because it's Sunday, so I can obviously take out some time and fill it with you guys if you really want to see like particular goals, bucket list and everything. So yeah, let me know. I can do it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.